better time than the back to school season to teach your children how to plan? They can learn not only how to stay organized, but the little ones will probably get excited about decorating their planner as well. So stay tuned to see how you can teach your children how to plan. Hi there, it's Kara from the Hooting Pirate, and I'm really excited about today's video because I'm planning with my kids. Well, the younger ones anyway. The older ones, the 3 teenage boys, yeah, there's no way that I'm getting them on video where their friends can see them, hanging out with mom. So anyway, in this video, I'm going to be teaching my children how to plan, and I'm going to be showing you how you can teach your children how to do the same. If you're new here, what I do on this channel is help you stay organized, but also making sure that you're staying organized in a pretty planner, a planner that makes you smile every time you open it up. So if that sounds like something you'd enjoy, hit that subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started. So here I have a memory planner page. This is when my son and I went to Dinosaur Museum, and that's what I was working on while he's 5, he was working on his own little page, and I'll show that to you at the end. It's pretty cute. So I wanted this whole project to be sort of a family affair so that the kids can sort of learn how to plan, how to use their planner, but also how to document. So it's kind of a fun mix. Plus they really like getting crafty. To start off, what we're doing is taking the deadline and working backwards so they know if they have something coming up on a certain day that they have to know how long it's going to take them so they know when to start working on that project. If it's just something small, they can leave it a bit or get it done and have it out of the way. Or if it's something, a bigger project or bigger task that's going to take more time, they can work at it steadily as soon as they know that it's coming until the day that it's due. Adding this memory planner page into the mix adds a bit of fun because they aren't too big on decorating their planner. They're kind of nervous to cover up all of their words, but they are really into scrapbooking, so they really like this part of our project. All they really need to know at this stage is the planner basics, how to break down the big projects into individual tasks and how to schedule them into your planner. It can be really overwhelming for a child, and my children have been lucky so far. They've had teachers who have helped them break down. They'll assign the different tasks instead of just the entire project, so that they'll say, okay, well, the first part of the project is due on this day, the second part is due on this day, and the third, and so on. It's great if a teacher does this, but at the same time, the children still need to know how to break down the project into different parts and pieces so they can do it in chunks. One of my favorite words to explain this is cross-offable. I know it's a made-up word, I made it up myself, but I love it anyway. If they understand that something is cross-offable when it's finished, it's something you can do in one sitting, then that makes it easier for them to understand how to break things down into bite-sized, cross-offable steps. Of course, we can make this more fun by adding stickers and colored pens and all kinds of fun stuff. Another thing that they really like to do is color code. If they have different things due for different subjects or whatever, they can do different colors for those. And they like to get into my planner stickers as well, which is only fair because their planners that they get from school are super boring. So as long as you keep it fun for them, they won't even realize that they're learning a new skill. So keep them planning, make it fun, and everything should be fine. And we'll have some new additions to the planner community really soon. Here's a quick flip through of what I've done. So this is the cover page on the inside, and then this is Cedric's bucket list. And then we have the memory planner page so far. There's still more to come. And this is Cedric's. Isn't it cute? He even drew his own little T-Rex there with the tiny little arms. I love it. I love it. I love getting crafty with my kids. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.